Onions, a 1,000-year-old remedy. The onion. Popular belief tends to say it cures everything and that among its many layers, the same ones that make you cry, remedies are hidden for almost any illness or infection. Moreover, in the old days it even had magical connotations. They said that it chased away evil spirits and that if you put an onion underneath your pillow, you would have dreams that predicted the future. Besides mythology, it is true that the properties of onions have been known since the ancient times, but scientific proof of them first appeared in 1919 when a U.S. doctor, who was terrified because of the influenza pandemic during this time, noticed something truly unusual. There was a family of farmers that were completely healthy. None of their extensive family had contracted the virus, but why? The wife had made them follow the same tradition as their European ancestors during the plague and cholera epidemics, putting onions on the windowsills and around the house. When the doctor analyzed the onions under a microscope, he realized that the flu virus was stuck to the onion's layers. Simply amazing. Today, onions have many medicinal uses. Apart from that, as we all know, onions are considered to be one of the bulbs with the most virtues and one of the most tasty foods to flavor and accompany any dish. Benefits of the onion. Improves circulation and regulates hypertension. Thanks to its constituent evelyn, it can provide the body with great antithrombotic properties. It also prevents blood clots, and makes blood flow normally by regulating cholesterol and hypertension, thus avoiding coronary accidents and angines. How can we take advantage of the onion to achieve all of this? Just soak 300 grains of minced onion in a liter of water for 15 hours. You can drink up to 3 glasses a day. Diuretic. It helps you eliminate body fluids, which makes it tremendously beneficial for rheumatism, gout, edemas, etc. In this case, it would be best to soak 50 grains of pre-minced onions in a glass of wine and 3 glasses of water. You can also drink 3 glasses a day. Numerous vitamins that stimulate your appetite. Onions are usually used with garlic and red pepper, a very flavorful seasoning that is used in many countries. Its vitamin C-based composition helps you absorb iron and gives you various antibodies as well. It also has vitamin C, E, and B, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, and fiber. Antibacterial. Onions contain sulfur, and as we already know, this is the constituent that makes you cry and the smell that immediately hits you when you cut it. Although it is bothersome, it is definitely one of its best traits because it is precisely sulfur that helps you in infectious processes, whether it is getting rid of the flu, pharyngitis, bronchitis, etc. But not only that, it is also perfect for when you are suffering from some type of intestinal bacteria or diarrhea. What can you do? You can make a simple onion syrup. Cook 2 onions in a half liter of water. Add 5 tablespoons of honey to this broth. Stir it well so that it becomes a syrup and try to drink 3 cups a day. Digestive benefits of the onion. Onion helps you digest and stimulates the liver and gallbladder, which is why adding onions to stews is great, as long as you have a well-balanced and healthy diet. But if you suffer from stomach acid or any kind of stomach problems, onions are not recommended. However, recent studies have shown that eating onions helps prevent cancer cells from forming in the stomach. Therefore, always try to balance its consumption as much as you can. For bug bites. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, onions are excellent disinfectants for bug bites. Just wet the infected area with the liquid of a fresh onion. In case you were wondering, and there is an effective remedy to prevent the unpleasant side effect of, as you already know, bad breath that you get after you eat an onion. According to John Graham, a scientist from California, just drink a glass of water immediately after eating an onion. The effects will be stopped right then and you will be able to talk to and even kiss someone without a hint of bad breath.